welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here. Thank you for tuning in. As you guys can see, I've already jumped into this video, and guess who is doing a voiceover? Me. But anyways, I'm so dumb. I am just going into my concealer, which is Fawn by Eyeshadow Pro Concealer, and I'm just blending it out. And then I'm gonna be using my baby powder. Like, I use baby powder for everything. I use baby powder to set my highlighter, and you know, I just use baby powder for every single thing. Right, so now I'm just going into the orange shade from my Technic eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using as my transition color. And I am building the color up, as you guys can see. That's pretty much what I'm doing, and just blending it out while I do so. So then from that same eyeshadow palette brand, I am going into that brick red brownish color. Actually, it's more red than brown. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I'm going to be using that color on my crease line, and I'm applying this color to create a sort of a gradient effect, if that even makes sense. I hate doing voiceovers because it's like, I feel like I'm not making sense, but yeah, I'm just building it up and then I'm blending it out. I feel like I'm not even talking properly. And then I am getting my Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm going to be using that to cut my crease. Well, I'm not necessarily cutting my crease, I'm just priming my eyelid again, so it'll be easier for me to apply my foundation. Sorry, my eyeshadow. And please, I actually, like, when I've been watching this over and over again, and I do not know why I started off with the shimmery eyeshadow instead of starting with the matte color. But anyways, don't follow this. Oh, this is so weird saying this, but yeah, basically, you guys will see that later on in the video, I go back into the matte color, and then I apply the shimmery color afterwards. Again, because I don't know why I started off with the shimmery color. It doesn't make sense. I think I just changed my mind on how I wanted the eyeshadow to look, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right, so this is what I was talking about. So I went into the pink color that I was pointing at, and this is what I actually should have been doing from the beginning. After applying my concealer onto my lids, I should have went into this color first and then the shimmery color. But anyways, that's what I'm doing now, and I'm using my, I don't even know how to say it. Is it Sosu Eyelashes, and then I'm applying my primer onto my face, the Inglot Under Base Primer. Priming my face, I'm going into my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the color Cappuccino. I think it's N8 or is it N9? I'm not too sure, I can't remember, but that's what I'm going into, and I'm just using my beauty blender to blend everything out. And then I'm getting my two concealers. One is Fawn and the other one was medium beige, I think, or cool tan. I think it's cool tan because it doesn't look too light. But yeah, and I'll be blending that out, and I'm just highlighting the areas that I usually highlight, which is the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my forehead, and my chin. Are you ready? I'm all to give it to me, JJ. Are you ready? Are you ready? And then we're just blending, blending, and blending. Blend, blend, blend. Yes. And then I'm just gonna go into my baby powder. Like I said earlier on, I use my baby powder for everything. So yeah, I'm using my baby powder. I'll be using my baby powder, and that's what I'm gonna be using to set my face. Well, to set the highlighted areas that I've highlighted. See my baby. And for contouring today, I'm going to be using a powder contour instead of my concealers, and I'm going into the e.l.f. Cool Bronzer, and I'm going into the darkest brown shade to contour my nose and my cheekbones. Get that cheekbone snatched, honey. Since, you know, my face isn't as defined as it was before. You know, we're getting really chubby on the face, so, you know, gotta create that deception now, you know, our face is snatched. So now I'm bringing some color back into my face because I'm looking hella ashy because of all that baby powder. But yeah, I'm going into the Inglot eyeshadow, blush, and the shade orange, and then I'll be using my Good To Go bronzer to set my face. So now I'm just going back into the colors that I used on my eyelids, and I'm using them on my under eye. Logo and choose, baby. Yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah. The way you went for me, the way you broke it down, the way you do it. So to finish this look, I am just getting my mahogany lip liner by NYX and applying that on my lips, and then I'll also be going into the collection glitter lip gloss and applying that too, and then I'm gonna mix it with a bit of NYX butter gloss. I'm not too sure what shade it was, but the name of the shade will be in the description box, so you can check all my products that I've mentioned in the description box. And yeah. Jules, baby.